Here, diaper. We're gonna change your diaper. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Hey. What? What? Can I have the diaper? Can I have the diaper back? Good morning. You woke up active today. Caleb. Hey. Say hello. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up, buddy? How you feeling today? How you feeling? Huh? Jeez, dude. Need your diaper? Here. Here. Oy. Yeah? Oh, no. Caleb, get that out of your face. Caleb. Let go. Alright, it's time for a change. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. See you later.